This is so fun. Welcome back. First, I'm gonna let you know my energy soaring through the roof right now because none other than Rhode themselves, so Mrs. Bieber, reposted a video that I made on my TikTok on their main TikTok page. You guys, like, I don't know. I honestly don't know what I did to deserve this, but it is literally everything. So what a way to start off the vlog, but I'm coming off of a high. I just filmed this like kind of lip look for TikTok and then I saw the notification and I literally screamed. I'm at a loss for words, so forgive me. Anyway, welcome back to the vlog, you guys. As you saw, it was a really busy week, but this week is really special, and this vlog is very special because we're officially moving in literally 7 days. Right now I'm filming this and it is Friday, a week from today. Next Friday, we're going to be getting our keys to move into our new apartment, and when I tell you it is the most perfect apartment of all time, like it is my dream apartment. I can't wait to show you guys like an empty kind of like apartment tour. It probably won't be in this vlog, it'll be in the next one just because I upload on Sundays. So I'm so excited. We've been in such a moving craze that I won't even begin to show you what the rest of our apartment looks like. And it's been such a busy week, but it's been all so good. I had my friend Jimena come up from San Diego. She was invited to an influencer event here in LA, so she drove up and asked to stay with us. And it happened to be that it was the week of the Rhode pop-up. So I was like, yes, absolutely, come be with us. But we can also go to the Rhode pop-up together. So there's a lot of Rhode content going on this week because honestly, why not? And I have to say, waiting in line for the Rhode event is always worth it. For their photo booth, for their release of the cinnamon roll lip tint, I waited 9 hours in line. This time we only waited 3 hours in line, so eventually in this vlog I'll show you my little haul, but when I tell you, it was insanely beautiful. Like, the space was so gorgeous. The marketing team, the Rhode team really knew what they were doing. It was insanely stunning. And right now I have on my lips the new release of Sugar Cookie, which is their like limited edition lip tint. So it's pinkish and it has like shimmer in it and it's so beautiful. I feel like this lighting is not quite capturing, I feel like, how stunning it is, but it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Over top on the lips, I have like the Rhode lip shape in Twist. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I'm obsessed with this combo. Twist, the lip shape, is kind of like my perfect nude. And then the new lip tint in Sugar Cookie. This might honestly be my very favorite lip tint of all time. It is stunning, like stunning. But I'm coming off of a high right now, just like having watched Rhode repost. So I'm just giddy. And I feel like I had a mentee B last night with like everything I'm moving for a second time in 1 year. It's just so much. And I feel like I'm like grinding with my full-time job, grinding the second I log off of my job. And I had a call with my manager like literally earlier today thinking, I hope it's worth it. Like, I always feel so much pressure to perform on TikTok and do really well on social media, especially when I go to these big events and I'm like feeling pressure to film. And I love content making, but let's be honest, it's all about numbers. So I've been feeling a little bit discouraged, just feeling like I've been working really hard, and sometimes the payoff like happens and then sometimes not, and you just like have to keep going. So I was just talking to my manager, Abby, about that. Sorry, Drew's making something. So anyway, I was just talking to my manager about like how, I don't know, overwhelmed I feel. Because I have big goals. Like, I want to hit 10K this year on TikTok, and it's a lofty goal for sure. Obviously it's only February, but still, I just like have this insane pressure on myself. The pressure is from nobody else but myself. Like, the call is coming from inside the house. Anyway, I just like wanted to capture this moment because this is truly my dream come true. Like, Rhode is my dream brand, and getting PR from them and now getting reposted, it just feels closer. I would die to work with Rhode. Like, this is just me checking in for the vlog. I'm going to probably talk a little bit more tomorrow. We have dinner plans this evening with our friends Amy and Jordan. They're having us over for dinner, and then this weekend we're packing. So like, we have a couple of like little like social engagements, dinners, breakfasts, coffees with people this weekend, but we really need to be like, we really should actually just straight up be packing. So it's going to be a little bit of a chaotic kind of vlog, but we're gonna bring you along for as much as, you know, you wanna be brought along for. But I just wanted to film this moment because it feels really surreal. But yeah, it's crazy town. I think next week's vlog is going to be even more insane because you're gonna see us move into a new place. So I'm so excited. I'm so grateful for our time here in like East Los Angeles as like our temporary place when we moved here, but I'm beyond, like when I tell you I'm beyond excited about our new place, like it's going to be everything and more. Anyway, I know I've been teasing it for a little while, but I can't wait to show you guys. Makeup is eating. We're girl bossing today. One thing I'll say before I like sign off for now, your dreams are never too big. Don't ever feel silly for having big dreams, whatever that may be. Like whatever your dreams are, never feel like it's too much. Go after what it is that you want. Whatever that may be, everyone's goals, everyone's dreams are different, but they're never too big. Like they are never too big, and I never want to see someone dim your light and tell you it's not possible. You have endless potential, and you're so strong, and you can do so much, and I'm so proud of you. If you needed to hear that, and if you needed to channel this kind of energy, then just know that I love you, and yeah, that's all I have to say. Good morning, you guys. It is less than a week away from moving day, and I just filmed how I elevated my makeup look, and it's on TikTok if you guys are curious about how it is that I got this look. But I wanted to just sit here and catch up with you guys and talk more and chat about life. And I have my little coffee here. We have a Breville, and it is the most magical thing in this entire world. Simply put, when we moved here to LA, we obviously like shipped everything across the country and went with like the pod experience. We used to have a Smeg espresso machine and used it for about 5 years or so. So it was like really well loved and lasted a super long time, and had it not gotten smashed in during the move, then I really honestly do think it would still be here. But we ended up, you know, obviously getting insurance coverage for some of the things that got dinged in our pod when we moved to LA, and we replaced the Smeg machine with my beloved Breville in Touch. And this video is not sponsored by any means. If you know me, then you know that I love making my coffee in the morning. It's critical and vital to my existence. It's my lifeblood. I feel like I have withdrawal from my coffee when I don't have it. It's honestly truly ruined like coffee shop experiences for me because it's just not as good as my espresso at home. And I like to drink an oat milk latte. So this one is just mostly espresso. It's a double shot, but I put like the least bit of milk. Maybe like this much of it is milk. I like to have my like espresso almost look like cardboard colored. Like that's the best that I can describe it. But like I like my coffee really strong. I love my morning coffee to be pungent in the best way possible. Like I want it to be, I really want my coffee to like hit me in the face in the morning. I like to use Minor Figures oat milk because it doesn't have any gums in the oat milk. I was a huge long time fan of Oatly when it first came out, as I think the whole world was, but found out that they obviously use like xanthan gum to thicken their milk, and it's really bad for your gut health. So and just really bad for like your overall body. So I finally made the switch and now use Minor Figures, and it is so good. It just hits. I honestly have no words. I work for an East Coast based tech company, and I work really early mornings, and obviously, as you know, I end my day around 2 so that I can film and kind of like live life, which I love. But it's been a really busy week this week because I was hosting a webinar for my company, but effectively I hosted it. I normally don't really like apply makeup for work, but I basically had to have my makeup, my hair, and like my fit done by the time that call happened. And again, I wake up super early for work, so it was a lot to do in one day. I had my like big work presentation and like kind of like webinar, finished the work day, and then was ready. So I was able to like go to the Rhode pop-up with Jimena, and we picked up a lot of really cute goodies. Honestly, so fun. Like I've never been to a more beautiful pop-up. I mostly treated it as like an experience where we got to like walk through, film a lot of content. We got the new lip tint. I'm gonna show you her. She's gorgeous, and she's this like beautiful like pink and blue like glitter in her, and I have it on.
It's actually super wearable. I actually don't feel like it's insane, but I really like her. I actually got 3 of them because I had a feeling I'd be obsessed, and I am obsessed. But I did pick up a bunch of restocks, so I thought it would be fun to kind of show you guys that on camera, just to like sift through and show you. We did some damage. How cute is this packaging? The day that we went, which was the very first day at the Rhode pop-up, we got these gorgeous chocolate brown shopping bags, and it's truly the little things in life. I'm certifiably obsessed with her packaging, but I wanted to restock on some of the things that I use all the time and I'm running out. And I genuinely use Rhode, like not sponsored at all this video, but I genuinely use Rhode every single day. I picked up the Rhode kit, and it comes in this like gorgeous like makeup bag. It's so cute. Perfect for travel. It's like almost like this soft, kind of like duvet, plushy foam makeup bag. It's really cute. And in the Rhode kit, I'll show you exactly what's in here. It includes a full-sized glazing milk. You guys already know, if you follow me, that this is imperative. It's like the most beautiful base. It's the first step after I wash my face. So once I towel dry or pat down dry my skin, I go in with the glazing milk, and it just gives my skin just such a strong boost of hydration and makes me feel just so glowy and healthy. Like honestly, it's such a genius product. So it's a potent, nutrient-rich complex with milky texture that boosts barrier function and leaves skin feeling hydrated, dewy, and glowing, and it does. And I don't think this is actually a toner, but it's just like this beautiful milk for the skin. I've gone through many bottles of these. Again, not sponsored. I just love. Next in the Rhode kit is the Pineapple Refresh face wash, I guess. And it's really beautiful, but this is their foaming comfort cleanser. I really like this because I feel like it really exfoliates my skin and without like over drying my skin. I would say that I have combination skin. I feel like since moving to Los Angeles, I actually feel like my skin's gotten more clear, and I don't feel like I struggle super much with acne. Right now I have like 2 acne spots, maybe 3 acne spots that I take a freckle pen and like dot over just to make it like almost like a beauty mark. I honestly don't really feel like I've been breaking out much at all comparatively to like living in the Northeast where it's really cold and dry. My skin has evolved and I've been loving the sun. I really do feel like this really works on my skin. The last 2 things that are included in this kit are the Barrier Restore Cream, which is their moisturizer, and it has shea butter, acai, squalene, and peptides, and it's meant to restore your skin barrier. So it's really beautiful, super lightweight, perfect as like a final step after you like lock in your skin prep. I would say right before you go in with the Barrier Restore Cream, you would go in with a peptide glazing fluid. So the order of operations is like you'd wash your face, you would apply your glazing milk, you would go in with their peptide glazing fluid. What would you call this, I guess? It's got niacinamide, peptide, hyaluronic acid, marula oil, which I love. Actually, marula oil is in my Drunk Elephant like product that I love. They're like straight up marula oil is so beautiful. This is the signature step to plump and hydrate the skin, and then you lock it in with the Barrier Restore Creams. I honestly love the Rhode kit, and it's such a great value because you really do get all of it. The girl that was working the counter told me the Rhode kit was like travel size, and that's why I got like a large glazing milk, because I thought inside would be the miniature one, and obviously that's not the case. That's okay. I use this so much that I don't mind having multiples. I just really love her and love having back stock. And of course, I picked up the Rhode Peptide Lip Tint in Sugar Cookie, and look at how cute the packaging is, you guys. Like truly, her branding, gorgeous. It's got this like beautiful kind of shimmery shift to it. Again, this is what it looks like out of the tube. Smells divine. Like honestly, finishes so gorgeous. It's just perfect. I'm obsessed with it. And the final thing I got in my like little shopping bag is the Rhode sticker sheet. So it's so freaking cute, you guys. That is my Rhode haul from the pop-up. It was so much fun. The rest of the day today though, Amy's gonna come over and help us pack up because our movers get here next week, like a week from today. So the day after we get our keys on Friday, they're gonna help us with the big pieces, but we're going to tackle the little things like my clothes and the little like knickknacks that are just like sitting around. But yeah, that's what I wanna do. It's just gonna be a boring vlog because we're just gonna be packing, but if I'm feeling vulnerable enough to show you like what it is that we're packing and the state of our apartment right now, then I might show you. We're also gonna probably go to lunch somewhere, so maybe we'll vlog that. Go to Courage Bagels. Depends, because I'm technically gluten-free, and yeah, I don't know if I want to get sick, so we'll see. Or go to Squirrel, which I love, but anyway, as you can hear, there's stuff going on, cleaning going on. Drew's cleaning, so I'm gonna go help him with that because he's an angel and he's been doing so much. So I'm gonna go help him, get our life together, and I don't know when I'll see you next. Probably tomorrow because it'll be Sunday and I'm meeting a couple of friends for like brunch. Anyway, I'll see you in just a second.